3. Greetings! Today we'll review the new tooling of the Revell 124 scale Jaguar E-type roadster. Here's the box and here's the back. The sides. These are the gray parts. With the seats, the engine, the green parts. Ideal for those who wish to paint it in British racing green. The chassis also in green. The chrome parts, rubber wheels, the hood, the clear canopy, and the instructions. Shows the decals, all the speedometers, shows you all the parts you have, building of the engine, the exhaust, the options to do it left-hand drive or right-hand drive. Thank you.